Borders remain calm overnight across Jammu. No drone activity reported. No overnight cross-border shelling or drone activity was reported from anywhere across the Jammu region, officials said on Sunday, as guns fell silent after India and Pakistan reached an understanding to stop all firing and military action. An uneasy calm prevailed on the borders, especially along the line of control LOC in the worst-hit twin border districts of Poonch and Rajouri, throughout the night, the officials said. They said no ceasefire violation or drone activity was reported from anywhere, bringing relief to the people who woke up in a peaceful atmosphere and resumed normal activities this morning. As many as 27 persons, including 5 security personnel, were killed and scores of others injured in intense shelling and drone attacks from Pakistan since May 7 after Indian armed forces targeted terror infrastructure in the neighbouring country in retaliation to April 22 Pahalgam terror attack that had left 26 persons, mostly tourists, dead. Swipe left for next video. On May 10, India and Pakistan reached an understanding to stop all firing and military action on land, air and sea with immediate effect after 4 days of intense cross-border drone and missile strikes. Series of blasts had also rocked Jammu city and other major towns, including areas close to the international border, in the past 3 days. Latest blogs